Welcome to ABB Tutorials. My name is David, and this is a short demonstration on how to use comments and annotations in Linea. As you know, a crucial part of data analysis is to be able to document and share your findings. With Linea, you don't need a separate tool to do this. Comments and annotations are stored together with the data. For this example, I'm going to be using data from a temperature sensor, and I'm going to be showing the existing comments, adding a new comment, and then putting some overlays on the drawing as part of annotations. To start, I'm going to click on File, New, go to the search box, type in the tag name, select the variable from the list, close the dialog, and then for this particular example, I would like to look at the last 6 months of data. So I go to Time Control, and then on From, I'm going to click on -6 capital M to go back 6 months in time. Then I'm going to use the auto scale function to maximize the height of the screen. So now, in order to toggle the comments, I'm going to go to the left menu and click on Toggle Comments button. As you can see, a right panel appears, and there is a list here with all the comments that are captured between the time frame that we're visualizing. By clicking on any of these comments, you will get a dialog with some details regarding that particular comment. Let us add a new comment now. In order to do that, I'm going to go to any part of the screen and then right-click and click on Add Comment. A comment pop-up will appear, and then I can add the title, fine-tune the timestamp for the comment, give it some details, and I can also link that particular comment to this trend and add a label for further categorization. These two last features are used for advanced filtering, but by default, comments are available in all trends to all users. So for this comment, we can write sensor offline and then save it. As you see, the new comment is captured here. You can also have a preview of the comments and where they're placed in the trend. So you go to the bottom of the trend and then you will see these small comment icons. So now we can add drawings and annotations on top of the trend. To do that, we will change the interaction method from panning to drawing mode. We can do it by clicking here on the fourth icon and then click on the pencil. A dedicated toolbar will pop up containing several drawing types. We can start by adding a text box. So we click on it, then we click on the screen. To change the location of the text box, we drag and drop it to the place, and then also for this arrow, we can just place it here and add some label that we want to comment in there. Sensor offline. In this dialog, I can also change the background, the font size, and some more fine-tuning of the location for that particular annotation. Now I'm going to show you how to make a drawing on top of the trend. I go to rectangle, click on the trend, and then by clicking on the rectangle, I can just adapt it on the X and Y axis to highlight an area of interest that I probably want someone to have a look at. Then I can also add a text box on the top describing what I found in there. So in this case, I'm going to put the door for the motor room was left open, and that's the reason for temperature oscillations. As you can see, when we go back to panning mode, now we can interact with the trend, and when I go back and forth in time, you can see that these annotations and comments are kept in the right place. We can save the trend to use it in further occasions and close this tutorial. Thank you.